Alright, what's going on, everybody? We're installing the CTS turbo intake.
Should I put this back?
So damn box, huh? No, it's fine.
Okay.
Mom needs you to do something.
All I do is unclamp it right here, and then there's a little grommet right here you gotta take it out of. And you gotta take out the filter box. Yeah, so we're gonna upload a charge pipe install last night. It didn't go to plan. It really
shit was hard.
We were out here till what, like 3 a.m.?
3:30?
Yeah.
And it, oh.
This cone.
It's a cool ass cone because it's like specifically made for. Specifically made.
Shout out to Jack for this damn thing. Thank you, Jack.
So I'm just putting this together. This is basically like the heat shield for it. And the intake sits right in here.
I saw Jack and I got caught at the light. I almost didn't too.
Should I razor? Leave a comment, I'm curious. Alright, so we need to get some new screws. I think the last guy this car shafted us.
Charge pipe, so we're just taking the screw off mine, seeing if it fits on Matt's.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a...
So I mean, it's a T15, so we'll just take that with us, I guess.
Hopping in the truck right now. Gotta go get bolts.
Bye. Saw my headlamp on.
Yeah.
I walk in like they're like a...
Smell those catalyst fumes. Yeah. Ah? You wanna go catalyst now? Huh?
I'm close enough.
The screws that go into the stock intake and the stock charge pipe are different than
They're
what goes into the new
completely
one.
fucking wrong.
Yeah, and it doesn't make any sense. You know, the intake doesn't come with new hardware, so it's a little funky. We made it. About damn time, the Home Depot. That's probably gonna piss so many people off that I just said that. Figure out where all the damn screws are, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this is what we'll be looking for. I'm not too positive. Jack back here. Found some bolts we're gonna try.
We
We'll
got
see
like
if they
two
fit.
different sizes. So.
Yeah, so we'll see if they fit. No promises. If anything, we'll just reuse the ones that we had. So. Okay, so those damn bolts that we got for the map sensor didn't work for some reason.
I don't understand that at all.
So yeah, it's been both times. Like the bolts just don't work. So now I'm gonna have to go ask for them to send bolts to me for this intake. So that's fun.
Put this on the other side. So that just supports this part.
Okay, we're gonna start her up. And we're gonna see.
Make sure it's.
I heard it. It's harder to hear if you have a louder car. So, like, it's more.
I can't hear it at all on my
Yeah.
car.
Overall, I highly recommend this product. Not sponsored. This isn't a sponsored video. Just saying.
If you want to sponsor a CTS Turbo,
Yeah,
definitely
please
let us know.
Yeah, inquire.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And sorry about the install. Like, it's really hard. It gets hard to basically film because, you know, you kind of get in the moment. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.